Now take your position, children. All of you open chapter number 32. I have prepared some extra questions on that action words because in the book I can see there is very few questions. Okay. So all of you start writing. Start writing, children. So here, see extra questions I have given to you. Chapter number 32, action words. Okay, action words. So here, find the action verb. What is the first one? Find the action verb in this sentence. First, write this sentence. The gorilla grabbed a green banana from the bunch. So you will answer me one by one. So what will be the answer here? Rishit, answer. The gorilla grabbed a green banana from the bunch. What will be the answer?
Grabbed.
Option also I have given. Gorilla grabbed bunch green. Where?
Grabbed.
Grabbed. Because this is the action
You
word.
have to write this
Yes, you
in
have to
GK
write.
copy.
Right. This is also very
Okay.
important. Okay. All of you write. Start writing, children. This is also very important. Okay. I will give you this in your exam also. So gorilla grabbed a green banana from the bunch. Here the gorilla is doing some action. Okay. So grabbed is the action word, doing word. Okay. So all of you write the first sentence. Find the action verb in this sentence. The gorilla grabbed a green banana from the bunch. All of you start writing. Start writing, everyone. Don't waste your time. Do fast. Start writing, everyone. Okay. Rishit, have you started? Now, number 2, you can see here. What is number 2? Number 2 is fill in the blanks with the action verbs. Tina dashed behind the sofa but did not dash her missing shoe. So here 2 words have been given in each option. You can see looked fine. B walked purple. C Smith C. D flowers shoelace. So what will be the answer? Tina dash behind the sofa. What she did? She is doing something. She is looking. Tina looked behind the sofa. Okay, looked is the action verb. But did not find her missing shoe. Okay, but she did not find her missing shoe. So now option A will be the correct answer. Here option B. Okay, all of you start writing. Atrika, are you writing, Atrika? Riaz, are you writing? Write this. It is very important. This is extra questions which I have made. I will give you an exam also. So please write and just write in your copy. Write the chapter name, chapter number 32. Write action words, the heading, the name of the chapter, and then you start writing. Okay? Write in your GK book, everyone. Yes, Suhana, start writing, Suhana. Debatam, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, all of you are writing. Very nice. Solanki, are you writing? Ishan, are you writing, Ishan? Are you writing, Solanki?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ishan, you started writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Abhigyan Sarkar, turn on your camera. Saptarshi Ghosh, turn on your camera and start writing. I can't see you. Very good. Abhigyan, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start writing, Abhigyan. Okay, children. So I'm going to move the screen now. Yes, Ankush?
Ma'am,
Yes.
again, writing uh, सॉफ्ट कर लिखो ना कि क्वेश्चन आंसर ट्राई लिखो.
No, you have to write question and answer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Devi, what happened, Devi?
Ma'am, I joined late. Please don't move the screen.
Okay, okay. Right. So the first question here, the gorilla grabbed the green banana from the bunch. So here, what is the action word? The action word will be grabbed. Okay, grab, because this is the doing word. Action, he is doing something, he is doing. Okay. Now second one, fill in the blanks with the action verbs. Tina dashed behind the sofa but did not dash her missing shoe. So here option A will be the answer. Look, Tina looked behind the sofa but did not find her missing shoe. So option A, where two words have been given, this one will be the correct answer. Yes, Vigyan, what happened?
Ma'am, I am also late joined.
Okay, then start writing, Vigyan. Start writing. Mute yourself. Yes, Pushpak, what happened?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of ACROBATS?
Where?
Question number 3.
Question number 3, Charlie watched the acrobats climb high and then leap through the air. Just
Leap meaning?
yes.
No, ma'am.
Acrobats.
No, leap.
Leap through the air. Charlie watched the acrobats climb high and then leap through the air. Okay. Means leap means I will tell you, just wait. Leap. You are asking about leap.
Yes.
Jump, leap means jump. Okay. Jump, leap over a fence. Okay. Like means he watched the acrobat. He climbed high and then leaped through the air. Means jump through the air. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you. Ma'am, I have also completed.
Okay. Very good.
I can say.
Wait. Just wait. So question number 3, I will tell you first. See number 3. Find the 3 action verbs in this sentence. Here you have to find 3 action verbs. Like I will tell you, Charlie watched the acrobats climb high and then leap through the air. So here what Charlie is doing, he is first doing the action word like watched. Okay, then
What?
he climbed.
Climb.
Climb is also the action word. Then he leap. Leap is also the action word. So what will be the answer? Number B. Watched, climb, leap. Okay, answer B will be the correct answer. Yes, Debatam, what happened?
I have also completed. Can I say?
No, not now. There are more questions. I will just
only 3.
yes. Wait, Pushpak. Yes, Lamia, you also have completed, I hope.
No, ma'am. What is shoelace?
What is
Shoelace.
shoelace? That is not in the answer. Also, shoelace. Just you don't wear shoes. The lace is there in the shoes only. That is called shoelace. Okay. Okay. Yes, Alvira. What happened, Alvira?
Ma'am, these 3 questions are you?
Have you completed?
Question only. No, ma'am. These 3 questions only.
No, I will give you more questions. Just wait. Yes, Shreyam, what happened?
They're not completed.
Okay. Then if you have not completed, please don't raise the hand, okay? Just wait. Key number 4. Tim is dash the ball. What Tim is doing here? Tim is also doing some action. What action is doing? He is, what will be the answer? Throwing, throw, threw, ya none. What will be the answer, Pushpa?
The answer is throwing.
Throwing, very good. Tim is throwing. Tim is throwing the ball.
Throwing.
Answer option
Option
A will
is
be the
throwing.
right answer. Option A will
Yes.
be the right answer. Tim is throwing the ball because he is doing some action here. He is throwing. Okay, so this is the doing word. Pushpak, you completed these 4 questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, Debatam, you also completed these 4 questions?
Yes. I can say.
Not
I have
now.
completed before
Very good.
Pushpa.
You all complete these 4, so I can move. Yes,
Yes.
Tamanna. Tamanna, what happened?
Completed, ma'am.
Very good. Now see question number 5. She slept all night. Okay. She slept all night. Choose the correct verb. Here you have to choose the correct verb. What is the correct verb here? What is the action she is doing?
Ma'am.
Tell me.
Sleep.
Slept.
Sleep.
Yes, she slept all night. So she is doing here something like this is the action she is doing. Here it is slept is the doing word.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Number 6, Rohit painted the house blue. So here also you have to choose the correct verb. What Rohit is doing here?
Printed.
Rohit is painted. Very good. So option A will be the right answer. Okay. Correct answer is option A. Rohit painted the house blue. Here he is doing the action. Okay. Yes, Avigyan.
Ma'am, I have completed. Ma'am, I have completed.
Very good. Very good. All have completed.
I have
Well
also,
done.
ma'am, I have also
All of
completed.
you mute yourself. Now do number 6. Wait, I will show you number 7 then. Yes, Alvira, what happened? Fill in the
Please show 2.
2. You are till 2.
Yes.
Fill in the blanks with the action verbs.
Ma'am, please see 7.
Just wait, children. Okay, Alvira, don't worry. I will share in the study material. Okay. Let me complete. Then I will repeat once again. Just do here, Alvira. Do this one first. Then I will repeat once again. Okay. I will share in the study material. Don't worry. Now number 7. Fill in the blanks with the action word. Fill in the blanks with the action word. The cat dash across the road. What will be the answer? The cat ran across the road. Okay, the answer will be B. The cat ran across the road. Number 8.
That's red.
Yes, very good. Number 8. She dash a letter for Tina. She? What will be the answer?
She throw. Throw.
Why throw?
She wrote.
Road.
It will be
Letter is not to be thrown. So answer will be road.
wrote.
She wrote a letter for Tina. Okay, number 9. These grapes dash delicious. These grapes.
He
What?
gave these grapes tasted delicious.
Tastes delicious. Very good. Now number 10. They dash the tree easily. They
They climb climb.
Climb. Very good. They climbed the tree easily. Have you all completed? Arvika, Riyaz, have you completed? Anubhav?
I have completed.
Very
I
good.
have also completed.
Very good, children. Anubhav, have you completed? If you have
Ma'am,
not
I have
completed,
completed.
don't
I
wait.
have not completed, ma'am.
Very good, Anubhav. If you have not completed, then I will share in the study material. What you will do, just you will copy your everything, okay? And write in your copy.
Ma'am, I have not completed.
Which question?
This 6 to 10.
6 to 10. See, you can see at the screen. Look at the screen here. Look at the screen.
don't complete.
Very good.
Ma'am, I
Rishit,
have
from where?
completed.
From where, Rishit?
3 to 5.
Okay, okay. First do this one, Rishit. Then I will share once again.
Okay.
First do this one, then I will share once again, okay? Okay, mute all of you, mute yourself. Noises are coming. Debbie, have you completed, Debbie? Okay.
I completed. Then you show me the 3 number.
Okay, I will repeat once again. Just do this one, 6 to 10. Then I will repeat, okay?
I have not completed.
Okay. Solanki, have you completed?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, please show me the question number 2.
I will repeat once again. Have you completed 6 to 10? Those who have not completed 6 to 10, first do this one. Then I will repeat once again. Then you will write that, okay? Okay.
Again.
Okay, mute yourself. Pranavi, have you completed?
No, ma'am. Please show me 4 to 5.
Okay, okay. I will repeat once again. Do first 6 to 10. First do 6 to 10. Atrika, Rishabh, have you completed?
No, ma'am. Please show me.
First,
No,
all of you
ma'am.
children, it's a kind request to all of you. First do 6 to 10.
4 and 5.
First do,
Please show me
okay,
4
okay.
to 5.
I will show you 4 to 5. First you do 6 to 10 here. Then I will repeat once again. Okay, Atrika? Rishabh, do 6 to 10. Then I will
Yes.
repeat. Yes, Tamanna, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Tamanna. You are very speed. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am. I have
Well-
also completed the Tamanna's part.
Debatam, very good. Anurag, have you completed, Anurag?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Anurag. Very good. Very good, Ankan. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Ankan. You all will learn this, okay? Learn this chapter number 32, extra questions of action verbs.
Unmute করে দিয়েছি তো না এটা না
Very good, Anurag. Mute yourself. Yes, Pushpak, have you completed, Pushpak?
Yes, ma'am. I have completed.
Very good, Pushpak. So children, those who have not completed 6 to 10, first write this one. Then I will repeat once again. Question number 1 to 4, 5. Okay, question number 1 to 5, I will repeat once again. Just do question number 6 to 10. Okay. Yes, Saptarshi, have you completed? Saptarshi? Shreyom, have you completed, Shreyom?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
But 1 to 5 not completed.
Okay, I will repeat once again. Don't worry. Okay, children, I'm going to repeat once again. Question number 1 to 5.
Yes.
Now
Please show me.
See question number 1. Find the action verb in this sentence. The gorilla grabbed a green banana from the bunch. Okay, option A, gorilla. B, grabbed. C, bunch. D, green. So what will be the answer? Answer will be grabbed. Okay, option B. Now number 2C, fill in the blanks with action verbs. Tina dashed behind the sofa but did not dash her missing shoe. So what will be the answer? Tina looked behind the sofa but did not find her missing shoe. So Tina is doing something. She looked behind the sofa but did not find her missing shoe. Okay, so this is the action word. Look and find. Yes.
Please show the 10 question I have to check one time.
Okay. I'm repeating. Okay, I'm repeating. So what you will do,
That I have completed. Very fast.
children, what you will do, you all will learn this chapter very nicely. Okay.
Very fast.
Listen to me. You all will learn this chapter very nicely. Okay.